Hi, this is Pradeep Sir from PySpiders and PySpiders Rajajinagar. So one of our PySpiders student, Prerana, she has got off. She will share her experience about the teaching and how was the interview process in PySpiders and PySpiders.
Hello everyone, this is Prerana from Rajajinagar, the Hawaii district, and I have completed my degree in 2025 from the STJ College of Engineering in the Rajajinagar itself and in the stream of ISC. I came here as an incubation student actually, sir. I was an incubation student from the college itself and in the month of July. Coming to my experience in the PySpiders, it is the best way and the best platform for each and every student to learn for their future career. Actually, I was thinking about how would be long process, but actually the way the teaching of the Pradeep Sir or the other trainers is fabulous. If you want to gain knowledge, then please come to the Rajajinagar branch itself for the best training. And I suggest all the students for the future upcoming students also for this branch. I'll recommend the students for also all my friends also even. And coming to my company's interview process, it was like first round was active offline, and I have cleared the offline active also. And after that, I was having the first technical round. So in that, they were asking the most technical based questions like test scenarios and test case difference, regression and retesting difference, and they were asking more about scenario based questions. And after completing that, I have selected for the second round, the next day itself only. And in that day, I have done with the manager round. It was a second technical round. In that, the whole process of SDLC, STLC, and the comparison between smoke and sanity testing, and he was more focusing on the academic project. I would be saying that you should be always ready with the academic project, what all you have done, and you should implement that academic project to this domain which you are taking through. Or you are from a testing department or the development, you should be thorough with that, and all the test cases you have done, you need to be prepared on that on the academic projects. And they will be more in the technical round or the second technical round or the manager round, they will be more focusing on academic projects. It was the main implementation, and it was thorough manual testing for many concepts were asked from start to end. I will be so thankful and grateful for this PySpiders and the PySpiders. I will be so thankful for you also, sir, for teaching me and taking class.
Thank you, all the very best.
Thank you, sir.